All right, we're headed to a buddy of mine's house, and he shot a small buck earlier today and cannot find it. So we're gonna go out there and see if we can locate it for him. If you're looking for a thermal drone, check out thermalhunting.com. They are a DJI and Autel dealer and can get you set up. You can order through the website or visit them in the shop in Warrior, Alabama. Tell them Savage Tactical Recon sent you.
See if I walk right into our light. Come on. No. I think that's a buck. There's two of them. There's a few. Actually, there's a buck. Look at all of them. Right there. He's moving fine, whoever he is.
Look at him scatter.
Yep.
Chasing does.
It sure looks like it. So, yeah.
High wind velocity. Fly with caution.
Hold still. A bunch of deers.
Oh, really?
Yeah, huddled together on the side of this hill right here. They're not showing up. I want to go sit over here again. I didn't want that.
Oh, yeah.
Little buck. Let me see. God, he's gonna start chasing them. Just stand still just a second, buddy. Give me your head. He's like right there. There he is.
It looks like he's got antlers on both sides.
Yeah. Okay. So you're mostly broken off.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, he's
I know you said he had broken stuff. I didn't realize you meant he was broken off almost completely. That's good. That'll make him a little bit easier to find. And honestly, I think we're kind of looking for a buck that's not happy too.
see it's broken off right there.
Oh yeah. Okay. I don't know if I saw the picture. I saw the other pictures of the other deer, but.
Oh, I thought I sent you the two.
Oh, if you did, I didn't get them. I don't know if I saw them.
No. Yeah, I was like before today, and then this morning. But you would have had to zoom in.
Oh yeah. Okay. Rocks. All right. Here's one. Here's something. No, he's a little small critter, I think. Yep. Not even gonna bother him.
Have you been doing any hunting this year?
I hadn't hunted at all. I'm kind of high right now. Something moving, but I'm pretty sure that's a little guy. Mm-hmm.
Is that another armadillo or something?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Right there.
Mm-hmm.
It's just that. It's just the street light. That's all. Okay, so I'm gonna fly back to your property and make sure he didn't go
Circle back.
kind of the other way. Yeah. There's the original point.
How much was this one the way you outfitted it?
5,400 for the basic kit,
Mhm.
and I've got all the extra batteries and that my case will hold, and so I've got about 7,500, almost 8, really, by the time I've gotten other accessories.
Mm-hmm.
There's a one-sided buck in it.
Yeah, it looks like
See
one.
it?
Oh, one side there.
You think that's the guy? Can't tell anything. Can't tell what's on his side. Oh, look at that.
What?
I think he's injured.
I think that's
I've rotated. I think that's. You said you hit him on his left side.
Yep.
I think that's the exit. Yeah, it's twinkling. He's hurting. See it?
Mm-hmm.
He's hurt.
What's
That's the exit wound. That's the exit wound.
Okay.
That's blood we're seeing.
Okay.
Yeah. So he is hurting. Okay, that's good.
Where is he?
Yeah. Good question.
You marked him, that right?
I haven't marked him yet. He's on your property. If that's that helpful. I'm gonna mark him real quick here. Choose a different color so we can find him. Alright, he's gonna be green. Yeah, so like I said, it kills my screencast when I yeah. Yeah, I would say that's closer to neck than shoulder. Like, so you might have got a little bit left.
Yeah.
Depending on which way, obviously. It would be kind of nice to see that entry.
Yeah, it's just hard to see, like, where his neck's going down. I'm with you. And then, of course, I don't know if it came in and hit a shoulder or...
He definitely has not moved, and I mean, pretty close to him right now. this deer over here. Oh, the does.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, he was running with 3 does. That's 4 though.
That's 5 right there.
Oh yeah.
And actually, there's one off camera right there too.
Oh yeah. Yeah, he's not getting up and moving. I'm so worried that the coyotes are gonna get him.
I know. Well, he's not moving, but like I said, it's really hard to see that where you hit him, and that wound looks pretty high, and once I got a good angle, it kind of looked forward.
Mm-hmm.
The lighting's not as good.
Yeah.
But you can see it's pretty high. I wish the wind was a little calmer still, but you know what I mean? You see the dark line on his back?
Mm-hmm.
You see how high that spot looks?
I do.
It makes me wonder if you're just all backstrap. Well, in this case, I guess a little forward for backstrap, but see, when he turns his neck like that, it's really high. Which makes me wonder if you just ripped him open across the top, and that's the in and the out. That's possible. And how low was he to you? Were you above him at all? You know what I mean?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, because it's a down and then
Right.
up, back up. So yeah, I'm definitely above him.
Right. So you could have shot high and just grazed right over the top, which would make the wound look a little more on the right side, right?
And yeah, he was downhill, but not like I wasn't
Yeah.
not like shooting from a tree stand.
Yeah. I wonder if he had his well, the other thing is because he's laying on his side, this line on his back curves.
Yeah.
Oh, he's moving. There he goes. That's what we want to see. That's exactly what happened. Look how high that is. Wow. That's right across his back. I think he's going to be okay.